alkanes. Now what about the chemical reactions? Alkanes بشكل عام ممكن يساوي combustion reaction and substitution reaction. فإذا reactions of alkanes are of two types: combustion and substitution reaction. Combustion reaction of alkanes. In general, the alkane, which is CnH2n plus 2 plus oxygen, it will give CO2 plus water. فإذا الالكane, the general formula of it, CnH2n plus 2 plus oxygen, will give carbon dioxide and water. To balance it, how many carbon do we have? N. So we put here N. How many hydrogen? 2n plus 2. So لأنها هون مضروبة ب2, 2n plus 2 over 2, which is n plus 1. How many oxygen? 2n plus n, 3n plus 1, so 3n plus 1 divided by 2 كمان هون لأنه مضروبة ب2. Example: combustion of butane, C4H10 plus oxygen will give CO2 plus water plus heat. 4 carbon, 10, so here 5. 4 times 2, 8, plus 5, 13, so 13 over 2.
Combustion is burning, usually in air which is all around us, or oxygen. It's an exothermic reaction, which means it gives out heat. A fuel stores potential energy that can be released as heat when we burn the fuel. An example of a fuel is natural gas or methane. This is the fuel we burn to heat up our food. Methane, like other hydrocarbon fuels such as petrol, can undergo either complete or incomplete combustion. When methane undergoes complete combustion, that is in a plentiful supply of air, it produces carbon dioxide and water, as shown by the equation: CH4 gas plus 2O2 gas gives CO2 gas plus 2H2O gas. When methane undergoes incomplete combustion, that's in a limited supply of air, it produces either carbon monoxide and water or carbon and water, as shown by the equations: 2CH4 gas plus 3O2 gas gives 2CO gas plus 4H2O gas.
What is meant by substitution reaction? Substitution هي عملية replacement للهيدروجين. So it occurs when alkanes react with halogens Cl2, Br2 or I2 in the presence of sunlight. Chlorine, for example, replaces hydrogen, or bromine replaces hydrogen. فإذا عملية replacement of hydrogen. General equation: CnH2n plus 2 plus xCl2 in the presence of sunlight, it will give CnH2n plus 2 minus x. فإذا replacement من EMH بنحط بدالها Cl، فإذا minus x, so ClX plus xHCl. لاحظوا هون بالانيميشن هاي عندي CH4 for example كانت carbon with 4 hydrogen plus Cl2. one of the Cl بتيجي لهون تستبدل الهيدروجين مثل ما عم لاحظ، طلع عندي HCl، وبتيجي Cl تعمل bonding مع الكربون. اوكي، فاذا طلعوا منيح بالانيميشن هون. هيدا replacement method or substitution كانت CH4، one of the H's بتعمل bond مع Cl بتعطيني HCl، the second Cl بتيجي وبصفي عندي CH3Cl. dye substitution reaction of propane with chlorine. لما نقول dye substitution يعني we add 2Cl2. So C3H8 plus 2Cl2 in the presence of sunlight. لأنه زدنا 2Cl we remove 2H بالتالي صارت C3H6 ومنحط 2Cl plus 2HCl. General equation of substitution reaction of butane with bromine C4H10 لأنه in general the substitution plus XBr2 will give C4H10 minus X BRX plus XHBr.
The reaction in which hydrogen atom from a hydrocarbon is replaced by another atom or a group of atoms is called substitution reaction. Methane reacts with chlorine in presence of light to form chloromethane. CH4 plus Cl2 gives CH3Cl plus HCl. In this reaction, one hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by one chlorine atom. If one more hydrogen replaced by chlorine, then we get dichloromethane. CH3Cl plus Cl2 gives CH2Cl2 plus HCl.
Some important notes. In straight alkanes, as the number of carbon atoms increases, the boiling point also increases. يعني boiling point the C6H14 greater than the boiling point of C5H12 greater than the boiling point of C4H10. هون عندي curve temperature versus the number of carbon atoms. كل ما زاد عدد الكربون كل ما boiling point بيزيد. بينما in case of a branched alkane, as the number of branches increases, boiling point decreases. كل ما زاد number of carbon أو branches نحن عم نقول in a branch boiling point بقل. As the number of branches increases, boiling point decreases. So the boiling point of pentane greater than the boiling point of 2-methylbutane greater than the boiling point of 2,2-dimethyl propane.